Okay, it's getting cold. Everyone thinks about their furnace when that snow starts to fall, but right now is actually the perfect time for a tune-up. The experts at Bay Furnace will tell you about it.
Bay Furnace has been around since 1944. We're a third-generation family-owned heating and cooling company. People generally call us when there's a problem. We enjoy it when they call us before there's a problem. You want to make sure that you're getting routine maintenance just like you get an oil change done on your car. We can kind of prevent some problems if you do routine maintenance. We recommend, and the manufacturers recommend, that you do maintenance once a year on the heating and once a year on the cooling if you do have cooling as well.
At Bay Furnace, when we handle routine maintenance, it's a pretty extensive list, but I'm just going to hit a couple, sweet spots. So when you know when we're coming, it takes roughly about an hour or so, but we're going to get into the furnace. We're going to make sure we're cleaning it, a thorough cleaning. We're going to make sure that all your motors and everything are amp tested, draws tested. We don't want you to have problems through the winter. Let's face it, this thing's going to be running all winter and keeping you comfortable all winter. But one thing you can do, if you're capable, is filtration. There's filters on hopefully every furnace out there. If by some chance you don't see your filter and it's inaccessible, please give us a call. We'll make it accessible, because the more access you have, the easier it is for you to do, and you'll get it done on time. We got the new filter right here, and we'll slide out the new one. It's already on a track, so it'll slide out real nice and easy, and we can see that it's definitely time to change. We'll go ahead and put this over on the bench. We'll take this one out, and then we'll go ahead and replace it, and you can really see the difference with the cleanliness. Filters changed. As you can see, all filters have an arrow on them. This assembly has the arrow on it. All arrows always point towards the equipment. So in this case, the equipment is to my left, the arrow is pointing at the equipment. And it's as simple as putting it back in the tracks, and we slide it right back in and then secure the door.
We have some tips heading into winter. We recommend that everyone changes their smoke detector batteries around the time change in the spring and the fall. Also, you want to check and make sure that your carbon monoxide detectors are working correctly. Make sure your registers are all open and free from being blocked by furniture, toys. Keep your furnace area free from debris and all sorts of other clutter.
Another thing to think of is a filter. It's the way your house breathes. A good filtration system keeps your house, healthy, clean, and does the same for you also.
If you have a problem, call them, because you want to make sure it's done right. And if you go to their website, bayfurniture.com, that's bayfurnace.com, you can print off coupons for extra savings services on the filter. So that's pretty cool.